Sharjah, a cultural gem in the United Arab Emirates, offers travelers a captivating blend of history, art, and heritage that beckons exploration. As the third-largest emirate in the UAE, Sharjah stands out for its commitment to preserving its traditional roots while embracing modernity, making it a destination that resonates with a rich cultural tapestry. Sharjah's corniche stretches along the Arabian Gulf, providing a picturesque promenade for leisurely strolls, joggers, and cyclists. The expansive waterfront offers views of the sea, bustling markets, and the iconic Sharjah fountain, which comes to life with vibrant light and water displays. The heart of Sharjah, a historic district, immerses visitors in the Emirates' past through its restored buildings, winding alleyways, and vibrant bazaars. The Sharjah Heritage Area, including the Al Hizn Fort and the Sharjah Heritage Museum, offers insights into the region's heritage, customs, and traditions. Sharjah's commitment to the arts is evident in its many museums and cultural centers. The Sharjah Art Museum boasts an impressive collection of contemporary and classic art, while the Sharjah Calligraphy Museum celebrates the intricate art of Arabic calligraphy. The Maraya Art Center and the Sharjah Art Foundation showcase a diverse array of exhibitions, performances, and creative expressions that contribute to the Emirates' dynamic cultural scene. The Al Qasaba Canal, lined with cafes, boutiques, and entertainment venues, offers a lively atmosphere and stunning views of the illuminated eye of the Emirates Ferris wheel at night. Nearby, the Al Noor Island provides a serene escape with lush gardens, contemporary sculptures, and illuminated installations. For a taste of traditional Emirati life, the Mleha Archaeological and Ecotourism Project offers an immersive journey into history, with guided tours that explore ancient artifacts, fossils, and remnants of ancient civilizations. Sharjah's Al Majaz waterfront hosts a variety of events and festivals, attracting locals and tourists alike to its vibrant entertainment offerings, including laser shows, concerts, and cultural performances. The Sharjah Light Festival transforms the city's landmarks into dazzling spectacles of light and color, creating a magical ambience that showcases the Emirates' architectural beauty in a new light. Sharjah's food scene reflects its cultural diversity, offering everything from traditional Emirati dishes to international cuisines. The Blue Souk, officially known as the Central Market, is a treasure trove for shoppers and food enthusiasts alike, with a variety of eateries and shops selling jewelry, textiles, and handicrafts. In essence, Sharjah's allure lies in its ability to offer a rich blend of heritage, art, and modernity that celebrates the UAE's cultural identity. Whether it's exploring historic districts, embracing artistic expressions, savoring local flavors, or simply soaking in the city's vibrant energy, Sharjah invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Emirati culture and creativity.